morning everyone. So, naanami karon sa among train going to
Glasgow, scale.
So, here we are in our very, very comfy train. Tanawang amo ang train seat. Ay, ako din naka-follow. But anyway, that's our lovely train. Then at the back, yes. Kami right tao. Kaya ang ilahang train going to Glasgow is every 3 minutes.
Actually guys, this is a private train.
This is a private train owned by yours truly. Dito guys, actually, ang ilahang train going to Glasgow is every 3 minutes. So, maski pagmabiyaan ka, ayaw kadlo ka na apay kasunod nga train. So, which answers nga nung gamay ra kaayo og tawa nga train camera. So, anyway, ang very nice ani niya kana i-charger kada area. I would like to assume na apod ni siya Wi-Fi. Og nilarga na amo ang train. So, hopefully, wala lang siya meals available. Dili siya na nakasosyal, no? Pero ScotRail ba tawag ani?
Oh, ScotRail.
Gikan mi ni depart sa Waverley train station. Napod siya yung mall. Og here we go, guys. Ayan, nilarga na ang train. Og naaratong ilang popular nga monument. So this trip will take us 50 to 55 minutes going to Glasgow, Scale, Queen Street. Hello guys! So finally, naanami sa Glasgow. So anyway, naanang mi din hiya. Hello with all the kalapatis and the birds. And then, here we are. This is Glasgow. This isn't my first time here. Pero last na akong ano din hiya. Mas lami ang weather. Og sa una, ang mga kalapati, dili ganahan sa amo, but now look at them. Naara sila diha, wala sila yung movements. So, baby, you wanna run through the kalapati? Sige, daga na. Sige na. Go! Go, baby, go. Sige na, shoot them away. Babe, mama kag nahadlok sa kalapati. Tagaw kayo sila. Ako na lang daganon.
Bi, kasabaan makakagpun.
Bi, wala sila. Feel ka. Hindi naman sila mahadlok. No, sige lang, okay na lang. Show around. Ayaw ko, dili sila mahadlok sa ako. It is very nice. It's very cold and it's very quiet. So feeling ako bus tour na. Is it a bus tour? No, dili ay. So, we'll try to cross the street now. Tanaw na ito kung mga hap-on. If not, kita ang mag-hap-on.
Itong paano, pawon si George sa iyang balay.
Ano man? George House.
Let's go, people. Hello guys, so mo ni siya ang Glasgow. Mag-DIY na lang mi og amo ang walking tour kay unfortunately due to some circumstances, as we all know, for obvious reasons na-stop tanan tour. And if you can see, everything is so quiet. Very good day to roam around. Kinsa man po'y magtuo, no? Adugay na. We are going to the cathedral.
Just before the cathedral, that's the Royal Infirmary Hospital.
Which one, babe? Is this the one? Yeah.
Glasgow Royal Infirmary Hospital. I think it's one of the biggest hospitals in Glasgow.
Apparently, biggest hospital in Glasgow. Ano siya, babe? What's that?
No idea.
Me too. So, anyway, this is the church. Ayan. Kamot lang itag ato, no? Kay wala naman tayo masakyan. So, magbaktas lang ta.
Museum of Religious Life and Arts.
Yan na po din martyr school. Where is mga martyr? So, we are going here.
Tawag mo yung katawag yun, Dari?
No, dili. Dili mutabok. Wrong na sad, wrong.
Cross, Dari.
Dili gyapon makakross. So guys, nanata karon sa cathedral grounds. So here we are. This is the cathedral. Ayan. So the boys are going in. Since walay turista, camera. So daghang kay tag opportunity, no, for good pictures. Good and quality pictures. So here we are. Ayan. It's so pretty. Mo'y nakanindot din hiya sa Scotland. Kaya lagi na try preserve ang mga daan o mga very historical sites. So, ayan. I don't think makasulod ta. Oh, naigwapo kayo nga spot dito So, we'll show you that later on as well. City of the Dead. May ilang tawag. So, ayan. Wala siyang cathedral. Very, very nice. Then, of course, nawa na po siya. There you go, the boys and the Let's start sa left side. Here guys, nakabot ng war graves. So, I would like to assume, safe to assume tingali sa mga kuan, sa mga soldiers in the past. So, naa din ang church on this side ng church. Then, graves are good siya tanan. Ayan. Wala man siya creepy. Creepy nga ko, ano? Dili siya creepy.
Dili siya.
Wala siya creepy nga feeling. Ay! Look at this! Very nice!
Which one? Nalibog ang camera. What are we looking
Wala,
at?
I'm here. Ang tulay. Lovely guys siya. So makaagi ang mga sakyanan sa ilalim. Very nice. Very well thought of. Considering sa unang panahon pa to. So, sakata. Atong tanawon siya nasa ibabaw. And I think dapat siya gwapo kayo nga view overlooking sa church.
Shall we go up or this side?
Let's go up this side na lang.
Pwede.
Let's go up this side. Very nice church. Look at this, everyone. Tanawa! Can you see it, bebe? Gwapo kayo nga view sa church. Necropolis.
Nice.
Ayan. So, pati ang mga trees, very, very nice. Nagsabot sad sila. Dapat na sila naong ka na.
This is how it looks, guys.
Nakakaya bagong lubong. Dahil, very good. Trees. Hindi ba kita ang view, babe, sa city? Sugo po, no?
See, it's overlooking the city. The cathedral.
So, where are we going, baby?
We're going to Miller and Carter's Steakhouse. This is
Do you think makasulod ta? With our outfit? Given our outfit, makasulod ka ta? Kundi ta nila pasulod na haman ta.
Magpahit ko outfit.
Kundi ta nila pagtuon. Magsamboy na lang ta. Where is it? Ayan guys. Ang itsura sa mga buildings din hiya is kung sagit po daw mga karaan nilang houses from before. Ang ilang gina-follow din hiya is Victorian. Ilang mga
What's nice
theme.
in Glasgow, guys, kay libre ang chungki.
Oo. Everywhere na chungki. Nakasimot ka, bro.
Kasimot ko. Ay, ato na yung baho.
Diba? Libre chungki.
Guys, kung dito makakuan.
Libre money. Pero sorry, I don't take peanuts.
Ay na ba, Pinas?
Worst comes worst, kung dili may makasulod ka ng mga gwapo nga restaurant. Five Guys. So, marglayo kayo siya, no? Ang ilahang mga kuan. Guys, daghan na siyang tao din hiya compared kagaina. Dili siya, it's not that bad anymore. Daghan na siyang tao. Because this is the center of the universe. Ayan. Kay na ang ilahang John Lewis. Muna ilahang Apple Store.
DJF na diha, diyan nga to.
Dili mo gusto mag-TJF na lang? And now we're running, guys. Here we are. Let's try our luck kung makasulod ta. Here we are. Miller and Carter. Hello! So, nanami karon sa Miller and Carter with the boys. And here is our starter. I don't know si tawag ani. Pulled pork on toast, something. And then we've got meat plata.
Meat tasting board.
Sorry, meat tasting board. So, naay hunawanan sa kamot, of course, hand washing. Hand washing. With mac and cheese, some garlic bread, pulled pork. This one is chicken wings, some nachos,
Meatballs.
dip, meatballs. That's calamari with the boyfie. And then Donel. Ang second Donel.
Cheddar mushroom.
Cheddar mushroom. Okay, bon appetit. That's for our starters. Hi guys! Annyeonghaseyo. So naana pud mi sa wala mi og lunch. Wala mi og lunch. Busog kaayo mi. So karon nangita mi og things to do but not things to shop. Right boys? Kini siya. Giinanan ako ang boys nga naagi na siya cone sa ulo. Dili sila mo to sa ako. Ay! Naagi na siya cone sa ulo. Let's see why. Ngonya siya si Wellington. Naagid lagi na siya. Di sila mo to sa ako. Guys, kini siya very, very ready para sa coronavirus. Diba? Ano gina siya? Are you ready, sis? Full gear.